All right, guys. You know we like having a good time and having fun. This was a blast, and we weren't even there. I got to thank my guys, Justin Hudson and Chris Weiss. Chris called and said, hey, we're going to the Freedom Factory, to Cleetus's racetrack. And we got a really cool idea. And he, he's a graphics man. He said, we're going to do this theme. I said, that's great, man. I said, we support it. I'll help you out. Put some decals on the car. We'll sponsor it a little bit and get you going. So not only did they go down there and make a name for themselves, the car looked cool doing it. It was one of the best looking cars out there. Lightning McQueen. Pow! Pow wow! Wow pow! Ka-chow! There we go. He started way back in the pack, made his way up to the front. I don't have the text, but Chris was texting me, telling me what was going on. So it was like I was living being there. It was pretty darn cool. But they got up to like 8th within a handful of laps. Then he got back a little bit. Then he got up to 2nd and was running 2nd for a while, which was really, really, really cool. Like if we won this thing, and I say we because I felt like I was part of it, those guys put the effort in, those guys built the cars, those guys got it ready, those guys took it down there, so I got to give them all the credit. But in doing that, they got to 2nd place and the hood flew up. So anyway, kind of a bummer that happened. I think technically they ended up finishing 8th, but there's a couple clips where he gets right up on Cleetus's bumper. He was moving and getting it done. So they're going back in October. Not sure if we'll go back with them or not, but I'm going to support them once again because they did a great job. Really, really happy with it. Maybe we'll take the Ghostbuster car and see if Cleetus wants to make that the pace car. Maybe we'll get out there and race with them. I don't know. But really cool guys. Really good job. Really great facility. Everything was just as they expected it, if not better. And even Cleetus putting on the event. Everything, kudos to them. Enjoy this clip and this footage. It's a whole lot of pieces put together, but it's a good snippet of what happened out there. And really proud of those guys from Hopewell to Florida to really almost take this race. Thanks, guys.
Quick reminder before we get things going, not only for the clearance field, yukon stretch, but also stands on the back stretch.
Roll up to the top. Now pull your nose down. All right.